Hello and welcome back to the Advanced series. In this video, I'm going to be talking about editing character properties. You might want to edit the properties of a character to change the speed or the jump or maybe what the character is wearing. I'm just going to keep it super simple and give the player a short little speed boost when they spawn in. So I'm going to be using a local script for this. You could use it with a regular script, but it's a little bit more difficult. So there are two places to put this local script, and I know I haven't really talked about this much in my other videos, but that's because it wasn't really important. Now there's a distinction between the player and the character. The player is the actual person, and the character is the thing that the person is controlling. So that means if we put something into starter player scripts, whenever the player joins, it'll run once, and that's it. But if we put something into character scripts, that'll mean it'll run every single time the character spawns in. So this means that if the character dies and you have a player script, it won't run the code again. But that's not really what I want to do for this, so I'm going to stick to character scripts. Since we're in a local script, we can get the player really easily. So I'll just create a new variable for that. Since we have the player, we can get the character. And to change the speed of a character, we need the humanoid. But the thing about humanoids is that sometimes they don't load in quick enough. So you might be able to get the character right at the start of the script, but the humanoid might take a little bit longer to load in. So a way to counteract this is using wait for child. You give this function a name and it waits until that thing has loaded in. Pretty self-explanatory. So the name of the thing that we want to find is humanoid. It won't execute whatever code after until it's found the humanoid. And we want to change the walk speed and make it something like 20. We can wait for like 3 seconds, and then we can make it a regular speed. And that should be it. Hopefully I didn't make any errors. See that the player gets a little speed boost for the first 3 seconds, and then it goes away. I'm moving at normal speed now. And just quickly, you might be used to seeing the properties pop up once you put a dot. And you can see if we type in W, there's nothing for walk speed. And the reason it does this is because it doesn't know what this thing is going to be. You give it the name, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a humanoid. It could be a part named humanoid. So that's that. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. And that is all for now. Bye bye.